Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this video are down below in the description. What I'm sharing with you today is based on my personal experience. SourcinBox is an all-in-one dropshipping platform designed to streamline your e-commerce operations. From product sourcing and order fulfillment to shipping and customer service, SourcinBox aims to handle the logistical complexity so you can focus on marketing and growing your brand. One of the key features of SourcinBox is its vast product catalog, boasting thousands of items across various categories. They emphasize providing high-quality products and conduct rigorous quality checks to ensure customer satisfaction. When you receive an order, SourcinBox takes care of the entire fulfillment process, from picking and packing to shipping directly to your customer. This eliminates the need for you to manage inventory or handle shipping logistics, saving you time and resources. Furthermore, SourcinBox offers competitive shipping rates and integrates with popular e-commerce platforms like Shopify, WooCommerce, and Wix, allowing for seamless order synchronization. For customer inquiries and support issues, SourcinBox provides dedicated customer service to address any concerns that may arise. They also offer branding options such as custom packaging and private labeling, allowing you to create a more personalized brand experience for your customers. Whether you're a seasoned dropshipper or just starting out, SourcinBox presents itself as a comprehensive solution for managing your dropshipping business from start to finish. Their goal is to simplify the dropshipping process, allowing you to concentrate on building your brand and scaling your business. While the platform offers a variety of benefits, it's essential to conduct thorough research and consider factors such as pricing, product quality, and customer service before integrating it into your business workflow.